Hello and welcome to another episode of Digital Decode series. I am Tejasvi Jain and today we will talk about connected commerce. For over 10 years, brands and retailers have rolled out omni-channel and conversational commerce strategies, trying to replicate their engaging in-store customer experience in a digital environment. These companies know human contact is the cornerstone of any customer relationship and aim to create that connection virtually. This quest for convergence has accelerated in the past couple of years due to global events and is transforming points of sale as we speak. This has led to emergence of connected commerce and experience covering all customer journey touchpoints. Connected commerce is all about breaking down silos between the physical and digital world, creating a unified ecosystem where customers can engage effortlessly. Brands such as KFC, Amazon, and Domino's are adopting this approach to promote physical and digital commerce synergy. For example, customers can order food through Domino's mobile app, opt for pickup, and collect the items from their nearby outlet. This connectivity between virtual and physical worlds creates a unified customer experience, allowing them to browse and purchase products through any channel they want. With the rise of AI, we are witnessing a shift towards personalized commerce. Brands can now predict customer needs, offer personalized product recommendations, and send customized push notifications to enhance their shopping experience. Moreover, AI-enabled data-driven insights allow businesses to hyper-personalize interactions, build long-term customer relationships, and customer loyalty. And that's a wrap for today's Digital Decode. The future of e-commerce is digital and connected, and we're excited to see where technology takes this industry next. Until next time, keep decoding the digital world.